We're here, March 22nd, 2023. And we have this guy who's, can you tell, unbelievably excited about what's about to happen? Yeah. National Siren test, as you can see up there.
Yeah.
It'll be happening hopefully within 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I think the lens is dirty on this.
Huh.
There we go. It's a little better.
All right.
Then we have the parents over here.
Oh, hi.
We got Dad here. Got
I'm
Mom over
Dad.
here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Dad. Hi. And there's Stephen. Stephen, let Joseph interview you. Come over here.
I mean, I already kind of did,
Oh,
but
did you?
unless there's a more extensive
Well,
one.
I don't know. I never know until I finish.
Yeah.
Is this an event that you live for all year?
Oh, yeah.
Is this more important than Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this the kind of thing that everyone should be involved in and love?
Oh, yeah.
But some folks just aren't truly dedicated or concerned, are they?
Nope.
No. Well, that's good. Good.
Yes.
Well, and this year you went and talked to the lady in the ambulance,
Yes.
driving the ambulance.
Yeah.
They seemed happy. It's the first year you've talked to them, isn't it? Or you talked last year?
No. 2021, I think
Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago that he might have.
You might have. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is actually one of the, not one of the mildest, but one of the milder times.
Yes.
Temperature's better.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He's saying last year they didn't do it because of the weather.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm more just thinking
We
because
were
last
here
time it
though,
was
Yeah.
super cold.
Huh?
Last time it was really cold.
Yeah.
All right.
Sometimes it's been really cold and sometimes it's been pleasant. But now.
We on 360.
Are we?
We are.
Does that mean I'm on it now?
It can be.
That's all right.
It's a reframing later.
Okay.
I have, yeah.
Well, is it getting closer, Daddy?
Yeah.
Aw. Yeah. How they do that, it's amazing, Joseph. There used to be a radio, there's a radio control in that box right there
Mm-hmm.
that tells, it says, okay, let's do the voice.
This is a test. Yes! This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is
Thank the
only
Lord!
a test.
Mhm. Uh-oh.
Oh boy. It's our way. It's pointing our way.
Yeah.
This is
Oh, that's
a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
Man, does sound travel that slowly?
Now let me warn the people.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
Uh-oh. Mr. Youngstone's gonna go crazy.
Yeah, what?
This is a test.
Oh, wow.
This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
We got the test portion, and we have,
Let's see it. See?
notice it
All
doesn't go all the way
computerized.
around. It's a, however many degrees that is. northeast, south, and west, and then it goes back around.
Down there comes the loud noise.
Although it goes around and around on certain settings. 4 horns, yeah.
Do you know what my phone just said? You have reached the maximum recording something of your phone.
So either you have used more space, or you have it in high setting. Setting than you should.
Okay, I don't know how to do a setting right now. This isn't the time to do
I don't know. Say something, because I couldn't hear it over the siren.
Praise the Lord, finally went off here.
Wow. So does that mean that sound just travels that slowly?
No, it's the sirens.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Like, with it being as far away as it is, that we're hearing the after effects of it.
Give me just a minute.
What?
I'm afraid you're getting cold.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Uh-oh, here it comes, Mama. Wow.
I'm gonna have to get back in the car.
Here we go. And?
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Wow.
comment on a few videos ago that said that it was not 1,000 watts per horn, but that's honestly what we were just told. So, I don't know. I mean, it's got to have put out a lot of watts for that thing to
Tornado
go out.
warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Now it's next. It's amazing.
Whew, okay, good.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued
For this area.
Tornado warning.
And luckily, this is just a test. All right, watch out, Steven. I think he's coming through. Dang. Good job. That's impressive. You know, whenever like a driver goes a certain way and like, are they coming this way? Oh, they are. And then sometimes I wonder, I'm like, why do they have to go that way? I'm like, Joseph. I have no idea. Red truck long. Huh?
We were at DNC yesterday,
Is it over?
and it's a very tight configuration, and it has a sign that says pull straight forward before you start. Pull straight forward to this point before you start turning.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This is
Oh!
a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
I forgot about that. Well, it's been 2 years. Really? Been doing it for so many years, it's become second nature. Until you forget that it's going on the day of, and you. Not to mention names.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
What happened to the police car? Yesterday I saw an accident.
How you guys doing this morning?
A test.
Hey.
This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
One last angle, and I believe these will have concluded.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
Very nice. And I do believe we have now concluded. Hope you guys like the 360 option. I think this is the first time I've done 360 with a Siren. Actually, yes, it has been. Wanted to capture more than usual to give me a better option. Indeed. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Drop a like if you liked it. Feel free to subscribe if you would like to. And yeah.
Now
That's it. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Did you explain anything to them?
I said I wish you did do that in Spanish for the Mexican people in there.
Yeah. And you saw the police car go by. You asked them about that?
Yeah.
On the trailer. Being towed somewhere.
Oh.
Yesterday we saw an accident.
I think I saw that on Facebook that it was over by Marie's or something.
Yeah.
The accident?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they saw it.
Hmm.
But did they say the police car was being taken because it broke?
No, it's crushed up to pieces.
It's crushed up?
Oh,
Oh, it was in the wreck?
Yeah.
The police car was in the wreck?
Hmm.
Well,
All right.
the test is over. Do you have any closing comments?
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. All right. See you guys.